Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Tian, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Python in your system. So first, you need to go to python.org, this website that you can see right here, and you need to go to downloads. And currently, the version I am using is Python 3.8.5. So if you just click this one, it will say next, 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 and you can just go next, 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 and eventually you will have this Python 3.8.5. So that's pretty self-explanatory. And the other thing that you will need is the code editor. So this is the code editor that I will use for this series. So let's close this one. Okay, no, so I just wanna click on download, and if you click on download, it will give you two options. The first one is professional, so it have a bunch of cool stuff, cool additional stuff that we won't necessarily need right now. So you can just go with the community one for pure Python development, and this is this is actually free and open source, so it won't cost you a dime. So basically, you can just download this in your PC, and you are good to go. So if I go to my code editor right here, you can see I have my code editor set up over here, and I have this project open, and you may sorry about that, and you may I'm getting sick, am I? So you will have this code editor, and on your left side you will have this all the tabs for your project files, so you can just navigate quickly. And the way you can actually make your editor bigger is by using by going to appearance, and here you can just uh, play with this one. So I'm just keeping it 20. If I make it a bit small, then you can see the entire thing will be a bit small. And here in the settings tab, you can see in the editor, in the font, basically you can uh, play with the size over here. So suit for yourself whatever size that you are comfortable with. And here I'm going to create a new file. So let's name the file as, I don't know, let's make the file as test.py. And one thing about Python is you gotta keep that extension py. So there we have our extension py, and here all you need to do is write print, then these brackets, then you can either use these, or you can use these as well. So let's just write this is my first Python code, and basically you are done. Now you need to click on this run, and you have to click on this run. And so previously I created another file which was main.py, and I deleted that one. Sorry about my voice. I don't think I'm feeling very good right now. So the thing that you need to do is if you have multiple files, you need to click the one that you want. And here you can see this is my first Python code. So this is very easy, very self-explanatory. You only need print, and you just put down whatever you want. So this is as easy as it looks. So do practice this in your own laptop or your own desktop. I don't know whatever you are using right now. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.